Hello everyone, welcome to Kanak Infosystems YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing about the future of manufacturing. Why Odoo is the game changer. Now let's start this discussion with the help of a use case. Meet Veda Manufacturing, a medium-sized manufacturing company who has a manager named Kavya with a team that is currently facing challenges like production delays and stock imbalances, disrupt sales and cash flow. Inefficient workflow drives up cost, risking employee frustration and customer loss. Without prompt action, Veda Manufacturing may lose its competitive edge and market share. Now, Kavya and her team start searching up for solutions. After searching a lot, they get to know about Odoo. In case if you don't know what Odoo is, you can get to know about it by clicking on the link shared in the description itself. Now, being a little excited but cautious at the same time, they hope that this will address their issues. With the help of Odoo's manufacturing module, it optimizes production with work centers for workstation management, BOMS for material tracking, production scheduling, for efficient timelines, and quality control to uphold standards. After seeing the result of using Odoo, you can clearly see the reaction of Kavya. As the Kavya and team are happy with the upcoming results, they decide to map out workflows as they are essential in manufacturing to ensure that every stage of production is efficient and well coordinated. They customize Odoo to set up routines from intake to packaging using work centers and orders to streamline tasks. Odoo's flexible workflows allow adaptation for different products, enhancing efficiency, quality, and consistency. Now, the real question arises, will Kavya's team make the order on time? When the Kavya's team receives an urgent order, they discover a shortage of a critical component which is left with them with utter chaos. After a while, they come with a solution which is by using Odoo's inventory module to check, stock and reorder quickly. Real-time tracking and reordering rules prevent future stockouts, keeping production on schedule and meeting urgent demand smoothly. Now, with time, Veda Manufacturing starts to grow. So, they decide to implement Odoo's quality control to maintain product standards with checkpoints at key stages, automated alerts, flag deviations, streamlining inspection, and reducing returns. Quality tracking helps the team improve processes, enhancing customer satisfaction. A few months after implementation, Kavya dives into Odoo analytical tools to assess performance and enhance production. With Odoo's reporting and KPIs, Kavya tracks metrics like production efficiency, downtime, quality yield, and on-time fulfillments. A custom dashboard helps her identify bottlenecks in real time, enabling proactive improvements that boost Veda Manufacturing's efficiency and productivity. Now here comes the question. How Veda Manufacturing transformed with Odoo as a success story. Before Odoo, the company faced inefficiencies, inventory shortages, quality issue, and low productivity. But with the use of Odoo, Kavya's team streamlined operations, managed real-time inventory, ensured quality, and greatly improved efficiency. The results shows that it has reduced production delays, increased productivity, and boosted customer satisfaction, making it more responsive to demand changes and delivery. If you like the video, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Subscribe for more.